Today's episode is 70's snoring raptune of Squirrel from Pango Kaboom snoring. Enjoy the video.
Hey 70, can you do snoring raptune of Squirrel from Pango Kaboom snoring?
Okay 35, it's coming for you.
Don't you dare listen to my ooh whistling, 'cause it sounds so ghostly. You might get creeped out soon. It sounds like a theremin going woo like a ghost. Time to scare you. Don't you listen to me ever again. Dun 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 dun. Let me put the vocoder on your mouth and make your whistle sound so auto-tuned. And your unison is a theremin, and you're a whistling theremin. I'm a whistling theremin. I'm a whistling theremin. I'm a whistling theremin. I'm a whistling theremin. Go woo like a ghost. Go woo like a ghost. Can't you believe that I'm a whistling ghost? What's with the horn? It sounds like the elephant snoring. It also goes. What is high pitched, but what is low pitched?